may be tiny, but blueberries pack a serious health punch. This little berry is a superfood hero, and here is where your body and brain will love it. Welcome to the Wellness Hub, your space for natural remedies, wellness routines, and superfood discoveries. Subscribe today and join the journey to vibrant natural living. Why blueberries are superfood? They're rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanin, the compound that gives them their deep blue color. They help fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and protect your body at the cellular level. Now let's discuss the top 5 benefits of blueberries. Number 1, it's a brain booster. Studies show that blueberries improve memory, focus, and may help delay age-related brain decline. Number 2, blueberries are heart health hero. They help lower blood pressures and reduce LDL cholesterol, supporting a healthy heart naturally. Number 3, they are gut friendly. Blueberries are high in fiber and support good digestion and good gut health. Number 4, they boost immunity and support. Blueberries are loaded with vitamin C and other immune supporting compounds. And number 5, blueberries aid and support skin glow food. Antioxidants in blueberries fight aging and help your skin stay radiant and youthful. Want to enjoy blueberries more often? Here is how to incorporate them in your daily life. Number 1, you can add them in smoothies or hot milk. 2, sprinkle over yogurt or granola. Number 3, you can blend into a homemade jam or freeze for a cool snack or ice cubes, as well as you can mix in salad or baked goods. Blueberries are small, but their benefits are mighty. Let us know in the comment sections which way do you love to eat yours. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to the Wellness Hub for more weekly wellness wisdom, where your health blooms naturally right here. Bye.